Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Reactions have continued to trail Governor Nyesom Wike's decision to abstain from the presidential campaign of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) due to an alleged refusal of the party's leadership to consult him. While some respondents say that Governor Wike is justified in his decision, others disagree, maintaining that the governor is only playing to the gallery. Correspondent Tekena Amefori tells us more.
At the inauguration of the Rivers State PDP Governorship Campaign Council last week in Port Harcourt, Governor Nyesom Wike declared that he would not support presidential candidate of the party, Atiku Abubakar, in next year's election. According to Governor Wike, the national leadership of the party refused to consult him in choosing nominees from Rivers State into its presidential campaign council, but went ahead to shop for enemies of the state.
They said they don't need me to campaign for them. That you don't want Rivers people to campaign for them. Will you force yourself? I have never seen how people would disrespect a state like Rivers State and go and choose those who are enemies of the state.
Governor Wike had vowed that under his watch, Rivers State would not be subjected to political relegation in 2023.
Rivers State has voted for PDP since 1999. Of this support was given since 1999. Till that, can you mention one thing that we have got in this state?
Governor Wike's recent declaration leaves no one in doubt that ongoing efforts to resolve a protracted internal crisis rocking the PDP have come against a brick wall. It will be recalled that after he lost the PDP presidential ticket to Atiku Abubakar under what he considers a manipulated process, the Rivers State governor had called for the sack of Senator Yocha Ayu, national chairman of the party, to reflect geopolitical balance in the leadership of the PDP ahead of next year's presidential election. In what appears to be a decision taken to call Wike's bluff, the National Executive Committee of the party passed a vote of confidence in Senator Ayu. Dr. Edwin Jonathan, a university lecturer and member of the PDP in Rivers State, says the party is contesting next year's presidential election without Wike's support at its own peril.
Some persons think they know how to manage crises. Pride is an issue there also. Some person be, oh, why should I go beg this kind of person? Who is he? And all of that. His Excellency has proven there's a huge political capital to the PDP. And I think that anybody who understands what politics is all about, you cannot wish him away.
In a swift reaction to Wike's recent declaration to withdraw his support for Atiku, the PDP presidential campaign spokesperson for Rivers State, Dr. Lelonu Nwibubasa, had accused the governor of misleading Rivers people with deliberate misinformation.
The tradition of my party, the PDP, every state branch or chapter of the party is asked to nominate into the presidential campaign council. But Governor Wike has insisted, which we know, that he was not going to work with the PDP because Ayu, so long as Ayu remains the national chairman of PDP.
As Wike rightly observes, Rivers State has consistently provided block votes for the PDP since 1999, an opportunity that is about to elude the party on account of its current face-off with the Rivers State governor. It, however, appears that the PDP may have decided to move on without Wike, banking on the fact that President Muhammadu Buhari won the 2015 presidential election without the support of Rivers State. Some political analysts have warned that this calculation may prove unhelpful, as Wike has on his side a handful of sitting and former governors, as well as other political heavyweights who are capable of rocking the PDP boat in 2023. Evidently, this leaves the PDP in a dilemma as it prepares to dislodge the All Progressives Congress APC from the seat of power in next year's presidential election.
Inside the Niger Delta,